Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Thinkorswim charts, a powerful tool for analyzing and trading financial markets. Thinkorswim is a professional trading platform that offers a wide range of charting tools and features. To get started, first log into your Thinkorswim account and navigate to the Charts section. The Thinkorswim charting platform offers a variety of chart types, including candlestick, bar, and line charts. Candlestick charts are the most popular and provide a detailed visual representation of price movements. To create a new chart, select the symbol you want to analyze. Choose the chart type, and set the time frame. The chart is divided into several sections, including the price axis, time axis, and studies. The price axis displays the price range, while the time axis displays the time intervals. Studies refer to technical indicators and other analysis tools that can be applied to the chart. Some common studies include moving averages, relative strength index, and Bollinger Bands. To add a study to your chart, click on the Studies button and select the study you want to apply. You can customize the study by adjusting its parameters, such as the time period or sensitivity. Thinkorswim also offers a range of drawing tools, including trend lines, rectangles, and Fibonacci retracements. These tools allow you to highlight key chart patterns and trends, and to predict potential price movements. To draw a trend line, select the Trend Line tool and click on 2 points on the chart. You can also add annotations to your chart, such as text notes or arrows, to highlight important events or observations. In addition to these features, Thinkorswim also offers a range of other tools and resources, including real-time news and data feeds, economic calendars, and trading strategies. By combining these tools and features, you can create a comprehensive trading plan and make informed investment decisions. To get the most out of Thinkorswim charts, it is essential to practice and experiment with different chart types, studies, and drawing tools. You can also access a range of educational resources, including video tutorials and webinars, to improve your charting skills and knowledge. By following these steps and best practices, you can unlock the full potential of Thinkorswim charts and take your trading to the next level.